Hey, my name is Emiliano Segura, and today I'm going to be presenting my project about skeletal structure and alkanes. In this project, we're going to be analyzing three different type of skeletal structures, all of them with different branches and with different type of bonds, and we're going to analyze them and give them their proper names. Well, in the first exercise, we can appreciate a cycloalkane, specifically a cyclobutane, a diethyl, and butyl, and a propyl. I'm going to say that the butyl is in the first carbon, the diethyl is in the second carbon, and the propyl will be in the fourth carbon. Once taking this into consideration, in alphabetical order, we will give this skeletal structure its proper name. As the butyl has the letter B, it would be the first one to start, so it would be one butyl. Then it would fit the diethyl as it has the D, which it would be the next letter in the alphabetical order. As it is two ethyls, we will put 2, 2, as there are two ethyls in which carbon they are. Then it would be 4 propyl cyclobutane, which is the last compound that we have in the skeletal structure. So the name that we will end up in this first alkane structure would be 1 butyl 2, 2 diethyl 4 propyl cyclobutane. In this skeletal structure, we can appreciate that it has 6 carbons since it is a cyclohexane, the one that is predominant. Then we can also appreciate a methyl, a dipropyl, and an ethyl. Now let's start. Since it has a double bond, this time we will start with the cyclohexene since it has the C and it also have a double bond. So the double bond is in the carbons between 5 and 6. So it would be 5 cyclohexene. Then the dipropyl, it would be the same as in the diethyl, but in this case, as they are in the 5 carbon, it would be 5,5 dipropyl. Then in the ethyl would be in the third carbon and the methyl would be in the second carbon. So taking all this into account, the proper name from the second skeletal structure would be 5 cyclohexene, 5,5 dipropyl, 3 ethyl, and 2 methyl. For the last skeletal structure, we can appreciate 2 cycloalkanes, but they are formed as a branches. We have a cyclohexane on the 6th carbon and a cyclopropyl on the 3rd carbon. We can also appreciate by this that this skeletal structure has 8 carbons. So taking this into account, we will say that that is an octane since it has a triple bond. It has an ethyl, a cyclohexane, a cyclopropyl, a methyl, and a propyl. So taking all these branches and all these alkanes and alkynes that we have in this skeletal structure, the proper name from this alkyne would be 6 cyclohexyl, since the cyclohexyl is in the 6th carbon, 3 cyclopropyl, since the cyclopropyl is in the 3rd carbon, 2 ethyl, 7 methyl, 5 octane, Y and E, since the Y and E is because of the triple bond, and 5 propyl. So those will be the 3 skeletal structure problems that we have been analyzing today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.